Hey everybody, this is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a product review to do for a company. They sent me an email and asked me if I would do a product review. And I said, yeah, after I looked to see what it was and, made sure everything was legit and everything, I agreed. So this company is called, and forgive me if I pronounce this incorrectly, uh, Katerk, 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 Katerk. Now, what this is a cordless hot glue gun. Now, it came in this box. It did come through Amazon, so of course it came through, came in an Amazon box, and this was inside the Amazon box. So it is a very nice box. And on the back of it, it does have all of their info on here. It has their .com. It has, all the info for the hot glue gun. So we are going to open this up. Now, I have not touched this. I have not even opened the box. I just took the plastic off. And we are going to look at this. So when you first open it, this is what it's going to look like. You have got your user manual on the very top, and this is a model NL246. There's the ID number. And, of course, it says, before you use anything like this, you should always read the manual. So it looks like it comes in a few different languages. And it just tells you, it shows, you've got your nozzle, the silicone cup, trigger, indicator light, power switch, glue inlet, the charging port, glue stick, and USB charge cable. So that is all of, what everything is. Then here's your safety instructions, all your text here. This says it is a 4-volt max voltage, 15W power. Takes 30 seconds to heat this up. Let's see, charge time is less than 100 minutes. Use time, yeah, I don't know about all that. So it takes about 5 minutes to power off. Okay, you know what? This is what I looked at on Amazon. Always read the instructions. But it did say that it takes 30 seconds for this to heat up. It does have a 2500 megahertz battery, which is built in. It's a built-in battery. It does have a auto shut off. So if you do not mess with this for 5 minutes, it's going to automatically turn off. But it only takes 30 seconds to heat back up once you turn it back on. So even if you let this set for about, 5, 6, 7 minutes while you're doing something and you go back to use it and it's turned itself off, just turn it back on, takes 30 seconds, and you're good to go. All right, so they do, now this one is pink. It does come in white, and it also comes in brown. This is extremely light, and it really does feel good in my hand. It really does. That's very easy to pull down on, and it does feel very, what is the word? It feels good in my hand. Ergonomic, I think is what it's called. So this will stand here. I don't think it's going to tilt over. All right, so here is there's a little thing right here that's going to be your indicator light. It does have all of this on the bottom. I'm not going to pretend to know what all of this means, okay? This is me, just a regular person, checking out a glue gun, okay? So this comes with your glue gun, of course. Then we're going to get a pack of colored glue and a pack of clear glue. Let's see, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you're going to get 12 clear, unless those are white. I don't know. They don't look really any different. And then you get 2 red, 2 green, 2 blue, and 2 yellow. And then you're going to get the Type C USB cord. Okay? And this is a pretty good, I mean, you don't have to have a very long cord if you're just charging. Okay? So I'm not sure how long it takes. I did not see what it said as far as how long it takes to fully charge. But I'm sure it doesn't take an extremely long time. And it says that this is good for bonding materials like including paper, cardboard, cork, wood, leather, textiles, foam, plastics, ceramics, porcelain, metal, glass, stone, and other similar materials. Let's see. It says insert the glue stick. It says to press and hold the button for about 2 seconds. Oh, and it says that if the battery indicator flashes red, that's a sign that the glue gun is heating up. Wait 30 seconds until the battery indicator turns a steady green, signaling that the heating process is complete. Then gently press the trigger to release the melted glue. All right, you know what? Let's just try this. Let's just try it. And that's all that was in the box. Let's just go with the clear glue because I did put something over here for me to test out. Now, I do a lot of miniatures, you know, like the little miniature houses. So this would come in really, really handy for that. Plus, this is cordless, so I can maneuver and I can get in there and I ain't got to worry about a cord getting all wrapped up and all that stuff. Plus, you can take this outside. You don't have to worry about being close to an outlet. So I would say this is, you know, portable. You know, yeah. So you don't have to worry. I mean, as long as you've got a full charge on it, you shouldn't have to worry about it, you know, doing anything. So I'm going to say that I probably need to charge this real quick, and then I will be back. Okay, so I'm hoping, now I only charged this for like 5 minutes, just long enough to hopefully have enough charge to do this little presentation, in order to do the review. So I have got some little things that I am going to put some magnets on. Okay, so this is not a big project, but it's just good enough for a demonstration on how this works. So again, I would probably, especially when you first open this and get it out of the box, I would probably go ahead, put it on charge before you get ready to use. Probably for a good 30 minutes anyway, to let it get good and charged. Now, this is your on and off switch. You just push it down. It's going to turn it on. Now, when I did plug this in to charge, it was solid red, which indicates to me that it was dead. So once it is fully charged, the light should turn green. And then that way it will let you know that it is fully charged. But for video sakes, I just charged it for about 5 minutes. So we'll just see how long, or if it even charged enough to melt the glue stick. If not, then I will put it on charge and then I will come back. All right, so I'm going to push the button. Okay. That is flashing green. You do have to hold the button down for just a second. And I think it's supposed to turn solid once it's ready. Referring back to the owner manual. Okay. Yes, okay. There it is. All right, so I am just going to put some glue on here, and then I'm just going to be gluing these little magnets. So there we go. Just had to prime it up a little bit. And again, like I said, I did not charge it for very long. So we are going to put one magnet on there. And with any glue stick or glue gun, you're going to have stringiness. Alright. Hope I'm in camera. And it's very, once you prime the handle to get the glue stick to go down in there, it's very easy to hold. So, alright, I am done. I turn it off. Now, as you can see, there's no drippage. I mean, there's a little bit of spillage, but we'll sit here for just a second and see if it drips, but it's not. I'm not saying that it won't, but that's what one of my problems is was with a glue gun, is once you stop squeezing the trigger, it just keeps coming out and it drips and you got a mess. So, yeah, I mean, this just literally has a dribble, if you can see. Just a little dribble on the end, and that is it. So I think it did quite well. And like I said, I would take in, when you first receive this in the mail, I would just go ahead, if you've got a project you need to do, I would just go ahead and take it out and figure on just charging it for about 30 minutes before you have to use it. That way it gets good and charged. So, lightweight, no spillage, cordless, number one. So therefore, you don't have to have an outlet. You ain't got to be close to an outlet. You can take this outside on the patio. You can take it to the park. You can take it outside. Sorry about that. But you can take this outside and use it wherever you want to. So yeah, I really like this. I really recommend this. So, and then plus you get 20 glue sticks, 12 of which are clear. And then you get the 2 red, 2 green, 2 blue, 2 yellow. So that's pretty cool. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment, a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And I guess until my next video, Well, first off, too, I want to say thank you to the company for sending this to me. Wow. I can't believe I didn't already say that. I am so sorry. So thank you to Katerk. I know I am like really messing that up. But thank you for sending this to me to do a review on. And I really do like it. So, all right, until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.